Hi, in a previous video I showed you how to import fonts in Procreate. There are several ways, and today I'm gonna not only review that, but I'm gonna tell you my 3 favorite sites to get fonts. And here we go. So the first one, and I think everyone knows it, but if you don't know it, it's fine. Go to fonts.google.com or Google, just Google Fonts, and you can get many fonts here. Let's go for some display or handwriting ones, and you can choose like the thickness or the number of styles it has inside the font. Okay, let's try this one. I don't have this one. As you can see, here is _1. I will show you I don't have it in my Procreate. Let's choose here. Let's choose this, and the name of this font is _. Let's try it here, letter G. So you can see I don't have it here. Okay, let's go and import that one. Go here, open, and now we're going to download the family over here. Click download again, and it goes to your download folder in your iPad. Open it. It is a zip file here. It is a zip file, so we just click to unzip it. I recommend you erase everything here in your downloads to give space. As you can see, I don't have enough iCloud storage. So you just open the folder and double click it. If you had Procreate open before, it will directly go to your Procreate. If you had another program, it will go to that program. So just open Procreate before and we'll import it for you. And here it is. Now we have one method to import fonts, and it's very simple, directly from your downloads. Another way of doing it is, let's say instead of downloading it directly into your iPad, you went to your computer and download a bunch of fonts. Then I recommend you to use Google Drive, for example. And for Google Drive, it didn't work for me before, but when I go here to my drive and then let me open you here my fonts, and then try to open these ones in Procreate, this method didn't work for me. It, as you can see, is blocked. So if you use Google Drive, you have to go to your drive and then select the font you want to open here, and then select open in, and then choose here more and go to Procreate. In that way you import from Drive. From here it doesn't work. From here it works directly from the downloads. Okay, so now I will show you my other 2 favorite places to get fonts. Here it is, Creative Market, where I also sell my brushes, and Creative Fabrica, and you can see there are a lot of fonts in these websites. I hope you liked this video today. I will leave you the links of these sites in the description. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video so I keep creating more content. And if you want to support, just join the MC Friends and get some really nice things every month. See you next time. Bye!